Welcome back users. In today's video we will check out Windowsfx Linux distro. This is the website of Windowsfx Linux, windowsfx.org. Windowsfx is a high performance OS compatible with any computer that has 2 cores and 2 GB of RAM minimum. It has been developed to replace the Microsoft Windows, taking advantage of its entire learning curve. This means that a user who has used to operating Microsoft Windows will be able to work immediately on Windowsfx. It does not require any TPM module, secure boot or any advanced feature, allowing it to be installed on any computer that meets the minimum requirements. Windowsfx is based on LinuxFX operating system but has no direct link to it, being a fork of LinuxFX. Windowsfx has its own development timeline. So here is the download link for the same. If you go to the download section, there is a free as well as paid version available. We have downloaded the free edition for the 64-bit PC. So we downloaded this Windowsfx 11 free edition, Windows 11 theme. So it can run Android games and apps with Play Store, inherits the Microsoft Windows 11 interface, contains graphic transition effects, contains graphic transparency effects, contains shader and blur. And there is another edition, that is Windowsfx 11 free edition with Windows 10 theme. So you can download this also. And the third flavor is Windowsfx 11 with Cinnamon edition with the Windows 10 theme. So you can also try this out. So we are going to try the first one, that is this Windowsfx 11 free edition, Windows 11 theme. So I clicked on this and I already downloaded the system. Now let us go and check out the release notes and news. So what is new in the Windows FX 11.1 WX desktop 11.1? So the Windowsfx database upgrade is available. Windows X desktop tools updated to 11.1. Discover, that is the KDE software store, no longer requires to restart after update. Android subsystem improvements. So it supports the Android games and Android packages. I think it will support them. All system packages updated to the latest version. So this is the latest release. Now let us check out the software licenses. So the LinuxFX 10 Plasma themes and tools, so the global theme, quantum theme, and these are available for download. Let us check out at any one. Go to the web address. It will open in a new tab. Let us see what they have in store for us. Okay, so you can download these themes from here. These are the LinuxFX themes. So LinuxFX is no way connected to Windowsfx that we are going to try, but you can install the LinuxFX themes from the Plink store. Okay, now let us check out the forum support. So first we will check out the Telegram support. So the LinuxFX is built on Linux Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So users be assured of the stability because it is based on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. And LinuxFX is supported on Telegram. So you can join the Telegram groups and then you can take support from the other users and the admins. Devs available on the Telegram channel. Email ID is support@linuxfx.org. There is WhatsApp number is also there, phone and WhatsApp number again for Brazil, and this is for the world. And LinuxFX is available on Facebook. Then let us check out the support forum. So this is the support forum of Windowsfx operating system. So since Windowsfx is based on Linuxfx, you can use the bug fixes. The methodology given to fix the bugs is bugs from the Linuxfx. So you can join the Linuxfx forums. Then let us go ahead. Now this is the support ticket. Close this down. So here you can raise the support tickets for your issues. First, I think you will have to create a profile with SourceForge, and then only you will be able to lodge tickets with the devs for the issues faced by you. Okay, I will close this down. Okay, now here is the contact details. You can contact them. You can fill up this form. So you have to fill up your name, email, subject, message, and then it will then send the email. It will reach the developers, and then they will reply you back the ISO. So let us start the installation. Open it in boxes. Yes, now since this will not have a template, you can use the Ubuntu template, Ubuntu 20.04, because Windowsfx is based on Linuxfx, and Linuxfx is in turn based on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So use this template. Click next. Give it 4 GB. Even 2 GB will also work, but let us do it 4 GB. So what happens is installation is faster, and overall system is snappy. So we can finish off our review faster and give around 25 GB of VDD. You can press F2 and select the language. Now we cannot select the language, I think. Okay. So if you observe this is the integrity check of the ISO. This is from Ubuntu. So when you use the Ubuntu installer, it first does a integrity check, which can be cancelled using Ctrl+C. Okay, so this is the Windows 11 theme. Okay, you are using free version of Linuxfx. Okay, so Windowsfx is the free version of Linuxfx, and if you want or if you pay for the Linuxfx, you will get a paid version that will be not called Windowsfx. Okay, so we will need to check this, what is WX desktop tools, later in this video itself. Now let us do the installation. This is the installer. Okay, so the installer is Calamars. We click on the next button. The installer fails to locate the correct locale, though the internet connectivity is available. You have to go and select the correct locale, that is India for me. Now select the Indian keyboard, English India with rupee. Now what we will do is, I have shown you the manual partitioning many times, so here we will go with just erase disk. I think it will use the MS-DOS partition when we select the erase disk option. Okay, so it will show the summary, what kind of partition it will do later on. Okay, so We will choose. Never select this login automatically without asking for password. It makes your system very weak, and it will open up the secrets for the hackers. Now we will hit the install button. So yes, it is creating the MS-DOS partition. You could see in the message, the bottoms. So now you have to relax back and let the system do the installation. Okay, so installation is completed. What I observed was that the pre-configuration of the installation was very good. It was fast. Unpacking of files was slow, and then the installation itself, overall it was slow installation. It took me more than half an hour to install the system. So the devs could try to improve the installation time. I will stop the video here. Thank you for being with us during the course of this video. In the next video, we will do the detailed review of the Windowsfx. Thank you very much. Do like, subscribe and comment on our channel. Do not forget to press the bell button. Otherwise, you will lose the new videos that are being released every day. Thank you. Bye bye.